Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this, and they've already even traced it, and it came out pretty good, but they want to know how they could clean this up. Every one of these has this, or some of them have a little dip, and they want it to look better than the original. And you can see it's a clip art, and you can see some funny things like right in here, and it is. So this is really easy. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the original and hit P, put it in the center of the page, and you notice I have indexing lines. I'm going to set my nudge distance on like 2 inches. And I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool, and there's only two parts to this. There's one going this way and one going that way. And they are a little bit different. So we're just going to get the Smart Fill, fill in that one and nudge it up, fill in that one and nudge it up. And then we're going to clean these two up. We're going to take the shape tool, and we're going to delete that node, maybe delete that node, delete that node, maybe delete that. No, can't delete that one. We could smooth it, and we could actually maybe delete that node, and maybe even kind of kick this one over a little bit to give it a more definite spot. Now, we didn't move their position, so we're going to Control G and group them together, and then we're going to move this one out of the way. Now, we only nudged it up 2 inches, so we're going to nudge it back. Now, it is off center, but that doesn't really matter. I counted, there's 30 sets, so that's 12 degrees. So we're going to control, well, we don't even have to do that. We're just going to double click and put the rotation in the center of the page. And sometimes, like always, it doesn't look like it is, but it is. And then open up your Windows, Dockers, and you could duplicate this all the way around. But we're going to go to Transform, or yours might say Transformation. We're going to get the Rotation Docker. I'm going to rotate it 12 degrees, and I need 29 copies because there's 30 and we already have one. Voila. You have a cleaned up version of that. I guess it's almost a Celtic knot, but it looks a lot better. Let's left click, right click, so we got identical ones, and put them next to each other. And you can see that this one has these rough spots every once in a while where this one is smoother. Pretty easy. Hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.